So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about 3 stocks which may give some multi-bagger returns in the future. So we'll discuss all the fundamentals of the company and also we'll go to the technical charts to find out which level would be best to buy these 3 stocks. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And also join the Telegram group, and if you're having any doubts, you can message me in Instagram as well. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So this is the second part of video. So first part we already discussed on Sunday, 3 stocks. So please do watch that as well. So add these stocks into your portfolio, which may give some very good returns. Okay, so the first stock which we are going to discuss today is GNA Axle. So this particular stock, people who are already following Telegram, so they might be knowing we discussed about this stock in best stocks to buy on weekly basis. So I keep updating on weekly basis, right? So 10 stocks. So on that particular note, we have discussed about GNA Axle. So today we'll go in depth, we'll study about the fundamentals and also the technicals. So if you see about the company, it is a large manufactures a large variety of axle shafts ranging from 1.5 kg to 65 kg, producing about 2 million axle shafts annually. So you can see 2 million annual shafts. So now we know that scrappage policy theme is running, so this particular stock would be benefited very well, that the financials also will be positive. So it's one of the largest producer. If you see revenue breakup and all, it contribute about 82% of the total revenue and 77% of the components manufactured. So people are from mechanical background, so they might be knowing about what is axle, what is spindle, so what are the shafts, so what basically does the manufacturing of all these things. So if you see exports, you can see it constitutes about 65% of the revenue, for which 52 is for North America, and you can see quarter on quarter basis also increment is present. So if you see client profile, you can see Mahindra and Mahindra Escorts Automotive Exiles Limited is the largest customer in highway segment in India. Okay, so these are the major things regarding this particular GNA Axle. If you see customer concentration, you can see top 5 and top 10 clients account for about 72% and around 84% of the turnover. Okay, so now if you see the market cap of it, you can see it is a 790 crore company. It is not a large cap, it is not either a very small cap also, you can say the moderate mid cap stock. And if you see current price is around 369, the current price is 369, and if you see 52 week high and low, you can see 52 week high is 430, and if you see 52 week low is 129. So not that much run up stock, still potential is there, so that's why we are discussing. And if you see book value is 216 rupees, and if you see dividend not paid yet, but if you see ROCE as well as ROE, you can see return on capital employed is 13.8%, and if you see ROE is 12.4%. Okay, so what are the major positives? So you can see company has reduced the debt. So this is very important. So being a auto ancillary company, so debt also plays a very crucial thing. So you can see debt has also reduced, and company has delivered good profit growth of 19.55% CAGR over last 5 years, and negatives, there are no negatives for the company. Okay, so if we do the basic peer comparison between the various other companies, so you can see the price to earning, if you see as compared to various other stocks which are related to auto field, you can see it is only near 16.58. So this is, we can say, little present in undervalued region. So I discuss stocks which has less debt and also which is in the undervalued region and has some potential. Okay, so if you compare the ROCE with other companies, so you can see it stands at a very good position. You can see it provides almost 13.76 of return on capital employed. Roughly, basically Amara Raja Batteries delivers good things. So after that, Endurance Tech, which is one, gives good ROCE. After that, we're seeing GNA Axle is also providing pretty good return on capital employed. Okay, so now coming to most important thing regarding financials. So if you see financials, you can see operating profit got doubled. If we compare year on year basis and also quarter on quarter basis, also you're seeing very good increment. Next, profit before tax, also you can see from 29 crores it has gone to 36 crores, so that has also increased. Next, if we see profit, so in one quarter it has reported loss because during the COVID time, so after that it has given a good comeback, and even in December quarter you can see it has posted 27 crores of net profit. Okay, so if you see the technical charts of GNA Axle, so you can see currently it is trading near 378 rupees level, and you can see it is almost positive 2.75%. So make sure keep this stock in radar. Because of scrappage policy, this particular stock would be benefited. If you see the support wise, you can see 50-day exponential moving average is present near 369. So make sure you watch that particular level and you can buy at 369 as well. So let it sustain above that. If it goes below, wait little bit, and if it is above that only, then definitely you can enter with decent quantity for long term. Okay, so the second stock that we're going to discuss today is Rane Madras. So you can see the market cap of this particular company is 522 crores, and if we see current market price is near 378, and if we see 52-week high and low is roughly around 496, as well as low is near 132. So ROCE and ROE leads little improvement because the business of this particular company has not been recognized previously, but now it has improved the quarter results and it is showing some potential in the future. If you see the business of it, that is very important. It is involved in manufacturing of steering and suspension linkage products, gear products. It also does the manufacturing of shafts, and also it is into major manufacturing of seat belts and also airbags. Okay, so airbags and seat belts, so these are very crucial components of any automotive body. So without airbags or without seat belts, so we know that currently the situation is not that great. So even the government is making that airbags are mandatory, and also seat belts are also very important. So one stock, such stock which will be benefited is Rane Madras. Okay, so let me show you the components or products. So you can see steering, linkages, next you can see suspension components, manual gear systems, brake liners, disc pads, railway brake blocks. So those are also very important. So it does the manufacturing of that as well. After that you can see seat belts, SBS seat belts. So it does the manufacturing of that. And after that, most importantly, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbag. So all these are done by Rane Madras. So very good company. So recently, if you see the financials also, it has reported some very good result. So let's see those things. Okay, so if you see the basic pros of the company, so you can see promoter has increased the stake almost 3% in the previous quarter. So basically I tell, when management is focusing much on any company, you need to focus on that particular stock, because he is also thinking that the demand of the company will increase. That is one of the major reason. So negatives, you can see a little bit of other income, book value. So those are not that focus. And if you see the financials, so you can see operating profit, you can see how considerably it has increased. From June, you can see it was in negative minus 32.26. Again, it has almost turned to great positiveness with 31.35 crore positive. So because of the demand, auto sector revival, so these have benefited. Next, profit before tax, if you see that as well, you can see from minus 7.05, you can see it is near 15.79 crore, and you can see net profit, so continuously negative. So now it has posted some positive profit of almost 5.49. Okay, so now let's see on technical charts what would be the best level. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts of RML share. So you can see currently it is trading near 386 rupees level, and it is almost positiveness of 2.02%. And if you see the technical chart, so clearly you can see how well it is retracing from the 50-day exponential moving average, which is near 334.95. From there it has shown the retracement, it has filled the gap. So now the main resistance would be 400 rupees level. So if it breaks that, definitely it will start flying towards the 475 After that 500 also can be seen, so don't think that it will not go. Definitely 475, 500 can be seen, so keep this stock into radar. So best entry would be current market price also. So make sure, if you want, let it test this 400 rupees level. If it again comes here, try to buy. So that would be the best buy. 375, 380 would be the best buy. Money flow index also, again it is retracing. So this is also very good stock. So now let's discuss the last stock for today. Again I'll continue the series, so don't worry. So make sure you like the video and also share with your friends so that everybody will be benefited. Okay, so the last stock that we're going to discuss today is Sundaram Fasteners. So if you see the market cap of it, you can see it is almost around 15,684 crore. If you see the current price is near 747, and if you see 52-week high and low, you can see it is near 825 as well as 248. And if you see book value is 98, and you can see ROCE, return on capital employed, and return on equity, you can see they are at 15.6% as well as 16.8%. Okay, so what are the basic pros and cons? So those are also very important. So you can see company has reduced the debt and company is maintaining a healthy dividend payout. So I told clearly we are discussing stocks which are having low debt, and also on quarter basis it has reported some extraordinary returns. So stock, you can see it is trading at almost 7.56 times its book value, and company might capitalize the interest cost. So these are not that important updates. So after that, if you compare it with its peer competitors, you can see ROCE where it stands. So highest among its peer competitors, so you can see it provides almost 15.61, but whereas few are almost in single digit and even in negative. Okay, so next when we discuss about financials, so you can see operating profit is almost around 230 crores. It has increased very considerably if we compare with previous quarters, and also profit before tax, you can see quarter basis as well as year basis also you're seeing very good increment. So further potential is there. Net profit, you can see that has also increased from 102 to 143 crores. Okay, so if you see the current market price of Sundaram Fasteners is near 746.65 rupees region. So the best buy for this particular stock would be 725. So 725 is the very good level for long term. In long term, if you hold this particular 1000 plus, definitely may be seen. So that much potential is present. Only thing, patience is required. You need to add at each and every fall. So that would be the best strategy. So little market also is little volatile. So make sure you focus on the levels and try to grab the opportunity whenever correction is seen. So money flow index wise also, you can see it is showing some retracement. Again it will try to go up. So keep these three stocks in watch list. So for what is the first stock? First stock is GNA Axle. After that we have discussed about Rane Madras, and third one is Sundaram Fastener. So these are the three stocks, so keep into your watch list. So if you like this particular series, I'll continue discussing all the multi-bagger stocks, so definitely mention in the comment section, and again we'll discuss set of another three stocks. So make sure you like the video, also subscribe the channel. So until then, take care, bye bye.